What if I told you that some pupils are actually earning money by watching videos on their phones? Sound unbelievable, right? But here is the catch. 90% of people never find the real opportunities because they fall for fake apps and scams. In today's video, I will show you how this works, what to avoid, and at the end, I will tell you how you can get the complete step-by-step guide for free. So don't skip the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a student, a housewife working from home, or simply looking for a way to earn some extra income online, then today's video is for you. But before you get excited, let me make one thing clear. Not every app or website that says watch videos and earn money is genuine. Many of them waste your time and some don't even pay. That's why it's important to know the difference between real opportunities and fake ones. Let us understand how this usually works. Some companies and platforms pay users for activities such as watching promotional content, testing service, giving feedback, or completing simple online tasks. The exact work availability and payment depend on the platform or project. Before joining any opportunities, always check these points. Is the platform trustworthy? Are the payments terms clearly explained? Are there genuine user reviews? Does it ask for unnecessary registration fees? If you ignore these questions, you could end up wasting both your time and money. Now here is something interesting. I have collected a list of platforms, safety tips, and exact checklist I personally use before trying any online earning opportunities. Instead of making this video too long, I have organized everything in one place so it's easy to follow. If you want the complete guide, simply send video on my WhatsApp. There you will receive the complete step-by-step guide, my online earning checklist, safety tips to avoid scams, update whenever I find new opportunities. The WhatsApp link is in the description and pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe it with someone who is looking for online earning opportunities. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.